In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a moving GIF in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So if you are collaborating on a spreadsheet with other people and you're working on something difficult and you just want to cheer up some of your collaborators or your coworkers, well, inserting a moving GIF might just do the trick. So what you can do to insert that moving GIF would be to make sure that you've already pre-downloaded the GIF that you want to use. And how I downloaded mine was to go to giphy.com. You can also use their app if you want, but I'm just going to go to their website. Here at the top, we have the search bar, and I can just input maybe the keyword to the GIF that I want to use. So let's say we can do this. Again, you're trying to cheer up some of your coworkers. Let's tap on done. There we go. Now, once you've selected the GIF that you want to use, all you have to do would be to just tap on it. There you go. And to select or download or copy that GIF, what I'm going to do would be to tap on the ellipsis right here. Here we go. And you'll see that we'll have to tap and hold to copy the GIF. We're not going to copy it. We're going to save it in our photos. So that's tap and hold until these options appear and just select Save Photos. And there you have it. I've already saved that to my drive, and I'm just going to go back to the Sheets app. Once you're back on the Sheets app, what we're going to do now is to again insert that GIF, and we're going to do that with the insert tool right here. Go to Image and select Image in Cell or Over Cells. Now for this one, if we do insert it in a cell, this is what it's going to look like. There you go. It's quite small and it's not really moving. And we're going to undo that and do that all over. And this time we're going to select Over Cells. So go back to Insert Tool, select Image, go to Image Over Cells. From Photos, again, we already downloaded that and we're just going to select it right here. There you go. Tap on Add. And there you have it. We have successfully inserted that moving GIF on our spreadsheet using the Google Sheets app. So that was very easy to do, and you can always delete this by just tapping on it and selecting Delete. And there you have it. That's how you can insert a moving GIF in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.